Now let's discuss some questions for the chapter India's Heroes. So the first question is, what is the theme of the story India's Heroes? So we have already discussed this a bit, but let's see it again. Let's go through the pointers first. Real heroism, hero worship, love for motherland and humanity, selflessness, devotion, dedication and sincerity to work. Right? So all these are various themes of the story India's Heroes. So firstly, real heroism. So what we see usually is, who are heroes to little children? You ask a little child and he might say that my hero is Shah Rukh Khan. My hero is Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because they are the ones who are put in the front and they are in the limelight. But real heroism is not about the heroes who are in the limelight. It is not about the heroes whose faces you see every day in newspapers and in the media. But real heroism is about those heroes who work day and night, selflessly, relentlessly, making sure that somebody else is safe because of them, that they are able to help somebody. Anybody who shows just a tad bit of courage, even the tad bit of courage, and he knows that I am able to help somebody, he is a real hero, and that is real heroism. Moving on to hero worship, we see that hero worship in different forms is prevalent in our society. Somebody worships say actors, somebody sportsmen, some people like Kabir, they worship our Indian soldiers. So they are also heroes, right? Next is the love for motherland and humanity. So through his entire speech, Kabir invokes the love for India and humanity as a whole, right? And it defies any boundaries because of religion, caste, creed or any other such thing. It is pure in humanity and selfless service. Next, selflessness. As we have discussed, real heroism and humanity require selflessness from all our heroes. Devotion, dedication and sincerity to work. Again, if somebody is not sincere towards their work, how can they even think about helping the humanity as a whole? One needs to be relentless and very hardworking to achieve their goal, to someday be able to help somebody and be a real hero. So these were the themes of the story. Moving on to the next question. How did the class react on Kabir's speech? Let's go through the pointers. Complete silence while listening, everyone enchanted and spellbound, were feeling patriotism he was telling about. Kabir got a round of applause at the end. So while Kabir was giving his speech, what was happening around him was, he was at first a little nervous, but as he continued speaking, he really believed in what he spoke. And that's why he stood up tall and he spoke his speech while the rest of the class stood in complete silence, right? They were completely silent and they were just hearing him, listening to him and understanding what he was saying. It was as if it was seeping into them, the patriotism that he was showing through his words, right? They were all enchanted and spellbound and were completely in awe of him and agreeing with him when he was talking about the various Indian heroes that he would like to become someday. Again, when he ended his speech, what happened is the entire class erupted in a loud applause for him. But at the same time, you will also have to tell about the teacher who was listening to the speech. After listening to Kabir's speech, the class was very happy about it and they applauded him. But even the teacher in charge who was there, she thought that her pupils, her students would become somebody, would be someone like a hero as the generations move on. She was sure that her students were on the right track, and this was the confidence that Kabir's speech gave her, right? Moving on to question 3. Mention various instances Kabir mentioned in the heroes in his speech. So we have already discussed various instances that Kabir has mentioned in the previous slides. So you can mention each one of them. On the safe side, if it's a long answer question, mention 5-6 instances. You can put in the short ones as well to make it longer, right? And if it's a short answer question, put 3 prominent ones, right? So this was about India's heroes.